Alright guys, we are back with another icy hot air conditioning and heating video, and as you can see here, this condenser is completely caked and so is that filter. I'm not sure when the last time this unit was maintained or if it ever has been maintained, but we got a call from this customer stating that his AC was not working. However, when we got on site, we did notice that everything was working on the system, but it was very dirty, and we told him that in order for us to properly diagnose an issue, we need to first clean it. So we went ahead and cleaned the coils, checked the capacitor, the contactor, the fan motor, and the compressor, and then we went ahead and changed the filter. Once we finished doing all that, we let the system run, and we found that the fan motor was bad. It had stopped spinning. So we went ahead and gave the customer the price to change it out, and he approved it. That's us changing out the fan motor, and sure enough, we do have all these parts on our truck stocked, so we could do same day installation. Another happy customer and another sticker. Let's go.